Hey girl, hey, welcome back for another video. Y'all, I am going to be attempting a Flexi rod set, okay? These are all the products that I use. I will definitely leave them in the description box below. Alright, so let's just jump right into it, y'all, because we don't got no time to waste. We ain't got time for that. Alright, so I'm starting out with Shrunken, dry, just tangled. Yes, this is an old, super old twist out. And I am just going to be attempting these Flexi rides on all of this. Yeah, we're going to see how it turns out. Being that this is my first attempt at this Flexi rod set, y'all, I have yet to master the windmill technique, so I am going to go ahead and do it the traditional way and just wrap my hair around the rod. And after a long, tedious process, we are finally at the end, y'all. Yes. So I just wanted to save this part for y'all so y'all can get a clear demonstration of exactly what I'm doing and how it looks. And that is the last one. So I'm going to let this sit under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I will be back. Alright y'all, so I decided to come back and skip the voiceover part because this is going to be a surprise to me as much as it is to you. I've never done these before, so I'm excited to see the results. So we just gonna see the results together. Like, I mean, let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the back just because that's where I started initially. So I don't have a special technique to unravel these. I probably should, but I don't. So we're just gonna how that look to y'all? I don't know. I can't really tell. I gotta get them all out first. Okay. Alright y'all, so as you can see, this side came out a bit more perfect than this side. I'm not really feeling this side like at all. I'm like disappointed, but I don't know what it was because I felt like this side was easier to apply the rods than this side, but what can you do? Whatever. So now I'm just about to just separate them and see how it looks. And I'm just gonna lightly, gently try to separate these. I'm scared. Okay. one side down, another one to go. Trying to make this look like something. It don't look bad though. It ain't bad. It's just I was hoping for a little more definition, but I don't know. I'm just like really scared to touch it because I feel like one wrong move, it's over. Okay, I'm low-key kind of feeling this though. Like it has slight definition, but it's not like, you know, real definition. Not so defined, a little more frizzy and poofy. I love that it has so much movement. It's full. It's bouncy. Yes, I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below whether you think this was a hit or a miss. Let me know, girl. Like, I think it's a hit, even though this side was a miss. And this side was a hit. But I think overall, it's a hit. It's a hit. I might actually start doing these now. Like, now that I see that I can do them and do them successfully. But that's it for me, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl. Like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Subscribe, okay? Like, help me, help you, help me. No, but thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.